In this video, I explain bank CDs ladders. What is a ladder and how do I use it to maximize my yield from my cash savings? A CD ladder is simply multiple CD accounts with varying terms or lengths of maturity. Typically, a ladder would consist of 3, 4, or 5 CDs of varying terms. The benefits of a CD ladder is I'm going to reduce interest rate risk. What does that mean? Because I have CDs maturing all the time, I'm not worried about opening all my CDs on one day and holding them at a long period of time, risking the potential of interest rates rising in the future. It also increases liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is my ability to access cash when I need it. So if I have CDs maturing at different times in the future, I always have a liquidity event and don't have to worry about locking up my cash for extended periods of time in one CD. There's an infinite number of different ladders I could open, but typically we look at three types of ladders: a short-term ladder, a mid-term ladder, and a long-term ladder. Because CDs have traditional terms of 3, 6, 9, 12, 2, 3, 4, and 5 years, a short-term CD ladder could be I opening up 4 CDs: a 3-month CD, a 6-month CD, a 9-month CD, and a 12-month CD. In this ladder, my CDs will be maturing every 3 months in the future. A midterm CD could be I opening up 4 CDs: a 6-month, 12-month, 18-month, and 24-month CD. In this example, I have CDs maturing every 6 months. And then finally, a long-term CD could be I open up 5 CDs: a 1 year, a 2 year, a 3 year, a 4 year, and a 5 year CD. So every year I have a CD maturing, which means I have a liquidity event each year. Taking my midterm CD ladder example, I've opened 4 CDs on the same day. I opened a 6-month CD, a 12-month CD, an 18-month CD, and a 24-month CD. Now, I could just let these CDs close, and every 6 months, I'm going to receive these monies back. But if I don't need the cash, I'll probably want to roll over these CDs. Now, CDs by default roll over to the same term they were opened in. So, in our latter example, we probably don't want to do that, because if we roll our 6-month CD into a new 6-month CD, then I have 2 CDs maturing in 12 months. And this will continue over the life of my CDs. So what I probably want to do is change my rollover rules on my 6-month CD to roll into a new 24-month CD, and my 12-month CD to roll into another 24-month CD, etc. This way, I'll continue to have a liquidity event every 6 months, but because now I have 4 24-month CDs, I'm going to increase the yield of my CDs. Typically, CDs have higher interest rates the longer term you open. So this is how I'm going to maximize my yield with a CD ladder, reducing my interest rate risk and increasing my liquidity opportunity. In summary, a ladder is simply opening multiple accounts on the same day with different maturities or terms of maturity. This will increase my liquidity opportunities and reduce my interest rate risk. I hope you enjoy this video. I have 2 other videos explaining CDs. Another one I think you would enjoy is explaining how CD withdrawal penalties work and how to calculate the CD withdrawal penalty. Thank you very much for following Dave, the Personal Finance Professor.